Hey, good morning. Mamaya Uber Eats tayo. Pipick up tayo ng pagkain. After work, try natin mag-grab ng mga pagkain para sa ating mga kliyente. So dati driver tayo, ngayon naman food ang ating i-deliver. So try natin mamaya. Break time, kain muna tayo. Chicken.
But for me, it's like
Lunchtime muna, lunchtime. Kain tayo.
Plus, like for 3
Uber Eats.
Put anything, but your payment will be
Coke.
really high. And I said, don't
Wow.
pay if I don't have to put anything, I don't have to pay. I take advantage of my credit.
Finding
It costs
clips.
me an arm and a leg to get good credit, okay?
Habang kumakain ako. Try lang.
So now I'm gonna enjoy.
Chicken. Maghanap siya. You're online. Testing lang yan.
a little bit better. You know, they were having like
Kahanap siya ng kliyente.
Maybe for Labor Day, huh? They have some good.
Yung doordash hindi pa gawa eh. Na-miss ko ang pag-Uber ah.
I'm very happy with that.
Tagal ah.
But I don't.
Okay, lalabas natin sa work. It's 5:27. 5:27, try natin mag-pick up ng Uber. Uber Eats. Lalabas lang sa work. Tara, try natin. Go. Online. Tagal mag-pick up ng ating Uber Eats. Ang tagal, ang tagal. Waiting. Online. Time check. 5:28. Yun, meron tayo oh. Accept natin.
Head to your pickup at Pollo
Ayan.
Lincoln Express.
El Pollo Loco. Let's pick it up. There you
In a
go.
quarter-mile turn right on Carson Street using the right lane.
Right, first order. Let's go. First order. Dito na tayo sa first pickup natin ng ating order. Pick up in store. Sabi niya, pick up in store. So, papasok tayo sa loob ng store at pick upin natin. Ayan, pick up in store. Okay, let's go. Hi there. Pick up for Roger H.
Hi, picking up.
Yeah, Roger.
Can I see the name?
Roger H.
Right here. Thank you.
Is there? Okay, that's it. Check natin ang ating order. Start delivering tayo. Yun. Okay, let's go. Okay. Haha! First delivery. Kaya ayusin natin. Okay, dyan ka muna. Walang ingat-ingat. So, ayan na. Pupush na natin yung start delivery. Start delivery. Navigate. There we go. 10 minutes. Let's go. Okay, unang delivery natin. Okay, it's 10 minutes from ano tayo? Paul Inca pa yan? Okay, let's go. Nandito na tayo. We're here at yung ating titiliberan.
Turn right on Vuelta Grande Avenue.
Okay.
Arrival natin. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Ang bahay 5960. 5960. Saan ba siya? 5960. Dapat natin. 5960. Ando pa sa kabila. Hanapin natin yan.
Drop off on the right.
So, sa right daw. Sa right. 59. Start tayo. Ayun. Yun ang ating kliyente. Nag-aantay na. Sir Roger. You're my first client ever.
Follow that map. Trust me. Yeah.
I used to be a Uber driver.
Okay.
No, I'm trying to be
Stretch, huh?
yeah. So after work, that's it. There's one more, sir, the Roger. So let me check. Delivered.
All right.
There you go.
Thank you.
Woohoo! First time.
All right. Have a good one.
You too. Take care, sir. First time. Okay, na-deliver na natin. Yun, first kita $6. Okay. Try natin tong Uber. Yung doordash ko, hindi ko pa alam kung nag-work na eh. Ka-apply ko lang kahapon din. Actually, kaninang umaga lang. So, okay. Medyo nangangapa pa ako dito. Dati kasi nagda-drive ako, Uber driver tsaka Lyft ako eh. So ngayon, try natin ng food naman. Food. Let's go. Okay, naayos ko na rin itong doordash. So, nailagay ko na yung account. Kasi wala tayong natatanggap ngayon sa Uber. So try natin itong doordash. Start dashing. Welcome, sabi niya. Skip for now. Dali lang yan. As up. May tumatawag. Hello? Okay, got it. Increase your acceptance rate. Yeah, got it. Okay. Allow. Out of you cannot accept cash on delivery orders. You may receive orders. Got it. Okay, got it. Uy, meron tayo. Seal Beach. So, okay. Paano ba ito? Itong schedule. Reduce your wait time at the restaurant. Lalayo nito ah. South LA. Damn. Layo yan. Yung mga schedule yan, no? Pwede kang magtrabaho. Downtown LA naman. Layo. Venice. Ito malalakas, ha? Beverly Hills. Ay. Ngayong Monday yan. Lunes. Wala bang malapit dito. Pacific Beach, bukas. Wala. Ito mga para bukas, Long Beach, panghapon. Malalayo yan. So skip na natin yan. So earnings ko wala pa. Kasi mabubukas ko lang tong DoorDash na yan. So ito yung account natin. Okay. Okay. It's good. So kausap ko lang yung DoorDash na sa call center nila. Ano daw tawag nito? 7 to 10 days daw yung aking application. So itong Uber napakabilis. So start na tayo. Ayan o. So nag-aantay na lang tayo ng second trip. Okay? Okay, while waiting sa ating si Spidey. Spidey, ating lucky charm. Si Chucky, wala na. Si Spidey yan. So dati akong nag-Uber tsaka Lyft driver. Ang disadvantage lang ng Uber driver ay tao yung baga yung responsibility mo ay malaki kumpara ito pagkain nito. Siyempre another responsibility pero hindi siya ganong mabigat kasi hindi buhay yung yung dala-dala mo. So I think 3 years din akong nag-Uber tsaka Lyft driver bago pumunta sila mama ko dito sa Amerika. So ngayon mas gusto ko i-try ko itong Uber Eats. Baka sakaling enjoy ko lang pag walang ginagawa. So after work pag na tayo, ayaw mo munang umuwi, gusto mo kong kumita, yan ang gagawin ko. So kanina nakaisa na tayo, so antay tayo ng another na delivery. Okay, wait lang tayo. Naghahanap siya. Yan finding trip sabi niya. So yung unang kita natin sa unang delivery kanina, $6. So ang oras na ay 7:14 PM. So titingnan natin kung makakaano pa tayo. Hindi ko kasi kabisado pa kung ano yung pinakamalakas na location ngayon eh. So wait lang tayo. Habang nag-aantay, may message ako sa inbox ko. Sabi niya, you receive a $5 tip. Tap to view the receipt or send to natin. Send thanks. Ayan. So binigyan ako ng tip. Ayos So send thanks for tip. Magti-thank tayo. Natuwa yung ating kanina. Send thanks. Alright. Tapos balik tayo sa total earnings. So pumalo siya ng 11.04 kasi mayroon tayong tip na $5 kanina. Antay-antay pa tayo. Meron. Accept natin. Accept.
Head to your pickup at Walmart Cerritos number 2082.
Yes. Yan. Meron tayong delivery. I pick up. Let's go. Second sa Walmart. Walmart tayo. Ayos na ayos yan. Let's go. Tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong mga nito. Okay, 2082 pick up.
Are you Roy?
Yeah.
Just park in parking spot and we'll bring up the order.
Number?
Whichever one.
Okay. Park tayo dito. Antayin natin yung ating yung i-deliver. So, okay. Antayin natin yung ating pickup dito sa Walmart. Maganda rin pala to. Kasi tao ang ako dati. Ngayon dito tayo sa Walmart. So, antayin natin. Antayin natin nandun sila. Tignan natin kung anong sistema ng itong mga pick-up tsaka yun. Eto na yan. Check via app. Hi there.
Road?
Yeah.
You got the driver code?
So I got two. Is that two person?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Leodis, Jay, and
There, you got the driver code?
Huh?
The driver code?
where is that? It's my first time.
No,
Scan
no,
barcode, huh?
They should give you 4 numbers.
Huh?
And I had to put it so I could give
So
you the-
details then.
Did they send you an email?
Grocery code?
Did they send you an email?
No. Scan. Are you gonna scan the code?
What happens if you press this?
This one?
Oh wait.
No,
Press
no,
something
no.
again?
Oh, shoot.
Press that one, I think.
I messed up. Oh, here.
Right there, driver code.
Oh, okay. First
Yeah.
time, bro.
It's cool.
So which one is which? I don't wanna mess up. My first delivery.
Yeah, let me check.
So this one is a two different person, right?
Yeah.
So Leodis. So which one is closer? So this one is it to be delivered first, right? Leodis.
Let me see which one this one is. So this one is one order.
Which name?
Kim. So that's
Oh.
the order number. That's where you have to scan.
So that's the order number there. So
Yeah, that's the order number. The order number is gonna be right here, and that's the OSN where it says OSN.
so I'm gonna scan it.
Yeah.
Click it. Okay.
When you're delivering, make sure you always get these stickers. 'Cause
Oh,
that's
okay.
That's how you deliver it.
Okay. So I'm gonna scan it now, right?
Yeah.
So scan one package.
Maybe you have to go back a little bit.
There you go.
Alright, now you,
So confirm pickup, right?
yes,
So
you put it.
this one is for Hong Pil, and the name where is his name? Oh, there, Kim.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it here, Mr. Leodis.
Oh, can I see the other bag again? I'm sorry.
Oh,
I just need to scan that.
okay, bro.
Alright, not really around this time.
What
but
day? What about weekends? Which one is better?
Probably like a Friday.
Friday?
We have less people.
Oh,
Oh, you mean more pickups?
yeah, because I'm working, but I'm out at like 5.
It's pretty good right now. I mean, there's not a lot of people.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna scan it, right?
Yeah, if it's for the same person, then you only need to scan one sticker and it scans.
So
all
because
of them.
they have the same number.
Yeah.
Press that one. Doesn't start.
Oh, you have to put your parking spot number. Put 7 because you're in number 7.
7.
Yeah.
Okay, 7. And
That's it. Confirm.
confirm. It doesn't. Something went wrong. Your request could not be prepared.
Press continue.
Did you talk to the?
Yeah.
Said it, or
Yeah, I think you.
receive, right?
Yeah.
Let's scan. There you go. Yeah, I'm learning. Scan one package. There you go. So confirm pickup. So
Head to your drop-off at
So first one is-
1625 Bubbling View, sir. Head to your pickup
Who's that?
at
The first one,
Walmart
and it'll give you the
Cerritos
second one
number
after.
2082.
okay. All right, brother.
Head to your
Take care.
Have a good day.
Play you too.
6425 Bubbling View, sir.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Leodis tayo yan na. 5 minutes. Let's go! Walmart. So, dalawang ating pinick up dito. At dalawang ating i-deliver, syempre. So, okay. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? T-shirt. For delivery. Pick up, deliver. Okay?
Turn left
Pwedeng
on Santa
pagkain.
Rock Street.
Pwedeng pagkain, pwedeng goods. So, maganda siya. So, ngayon, punta tayo kay Leodis yata to eh. So, Sandy Rock, dito tayo. Dito tayo. So, alam ng system yan kung sinong mauna. Parang Uber, din, style dati. Uber driver. Okay, Uber driver ba? So, ang number ng bahay, 16425. Straight lang tayo. 300 feet. Medyo paggabi na rin.
Drop off on the left.
On the left daw. 16425.
Off on the right.
Right. kunin natin yung package location, back seat, please leave order outside door or in a safe place, sabi niya. No need to wait for the customer to retrieve the order. Okay, you can knock on the door or ring the bell if you like. No need to wait for the customer. So okay, 16425. Okay, so may mga instruction dyan. This J delivery. Tama ba to? Okay, lagyan na natin dito. Check natin. This. Okay, this. This. So okay, let's go. Let's go. We're good. Na-drop na natin yun. This J. Cancel. Saan na yun? Nawala. So next, drop off. Dito tayo kay Hongpil. Hongpil tayo. Dito pa ako . I'm done. So next, ano tayo client? At in-scan ko muna pala. Is this Yodis?
Yeah, this is him.
Yeah, I'm still outside. I just need to scan. Yeah, I just delivered your stuff.
Oh yes, I got it.
Yeah, I just need to scan your package.
Okay.
All right. Sorry, it's my first time.
All right. Thank you.
Sorry. I need to scan the package. The package that I delivered, I need to scan it. Where is the package?
Right here.
Yeah.
You want a bag?
No, just the bag. I need to scan it. Get the bag, just one bag.
Okay.
Okay. Dapat ini-scan pala to. I'm just gonna scan it. Sorry about that, sir.
Okay.
So, scan.
Get your scan.
There you go.
Okay.
Confirm delivery.
I know the owner, but they never sent here. I don't know what's happening to it.
Take a photo. I'm gonna take a photo, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Take care, take care. Yun, nakuha ko na. Ganun pala yun. Kailangan i-scan mo rin siya pagka-deliver. Kasi hindi tatakbo yung next na delivery mo eh. At saka hindi mag-e-end yung transaction. Learning. Okay, yun na. So, view photo, retake. Ito view photo natin. Yan na yun siya. So, is everything okay? Yes. Ano na yan? Thanks tayo. Thank you. Thanks. Then, done. Then, done. So, para tumakbo yung isang ano.
Head to your drop off at 5822
Okay.
Los Arcos Way.
Ito yung next natin. So, umandar na yan. Let's go. Okay. Ayos. Next delivery. So, yun ang mga natutunan natin ngayon. So, pagka yung mga ganyang stuff, pag kailangan may mga barcode, kailangan pagka-deliver, kailangan ng pag na-deliver, pagka-pick up, scan, Tapos pagka-deliver, scan pa rin. Pero umandar yung mga next na transaction. Let's go. Next. Okay, nandito na tayo sa area Los Altos. Time check. Mag-alas
Just ahead, turn right on
8:15.
Los Altos Drive.
Okay, right tayo ng Los Altos. So, yan. Pangatlong delivery na natin to. Okay, Los Altos. Medyo paggabi na rin. Maaga pa ang pasok natin bukas. Okay.
Turn right on Los Altos Drive.
Los Altos Drive tayo. Yan, 1 minute na lang. Medyo paggabi na rin siguro. Pagod na rin ako sa galing trabaho. Bukas maaga pa ako. So kailangan ko rin magpahinga. Okay. Titignan ko kung parang ayaw ko pa umuwi eh. Nag-i-enjoy. Okay. 5822. Dito tayo sa 5822. Hello? Hi. Is this 5822? Hongpil K. Okay. So, we're gonna tap it here. So, i-scan natin. Yan, scan. Okay, scan. Scan package. Confirm delivery. Submit. Thanks. Done. And that's it. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yan, i-off ko na. Kasi gabi na rin, may pasok pa ako bukas. Okay lang ha. So, offline na tayo. Babush. Offline. Bye-bye. Yan ang earnings natin. Ayos. Let's go. Okay. So, natapos din. Gusto ko pa sana. Kaso nga lang maaga pa tayo bukas. So, nakailan tayo? From 5 o'clock. So, anong oras na? Ang oras na ay 8:28. So, parang 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. Parang 3 hours. Kasi mahina kasi. So, tsaka hapon na. So, parang 27. Parang mas maliit pa sa ano ko yun. Mas maliit pa sa per hora ko yun. Kasi ang so ang per hora ko is mahigit pa dyan. So ito nakadali tayo ng 3 hours, naka 27, pero okay na rin. Mahina lang siguro kasi alas 5 na ako ng hapon nag-start eh. So pero maganda siya, marami kasing option eh. Pwedeng pwede kasing so pwedeng food, pwede ring mga items. So tsaka siguro maganda to sa weekend, kaya yung mga tipong umuulan, wala naman masyadong ulan dito. Tapos yung mga tinatamad, mga elderly. So I think mas enjoy ko to kaysa yung ako yung overdrive noon. Nung panahon ko nang ako'y overdrive tsaka lift driver noon. So ito kasi ano lang to pagkain at kahit anong kahit anong items lang. Madali lang yung proseso. So kailangan yung mga pick up na mga items, kailangan scan, tapos pagka-deliver scan mo din. So ayos lang, masaya. Pagod lang din kasi ako sa work eh. So yung aking ang ginagamit ko ngayon is yung Uber delivery. over delivery tayo. It means pwede pagkain at kahit anong goods and items. So yung DoorDash ko within 7 to 10 days, 7 to 10 business days daw. So yun, maganda yun kasi pwede kong pagsalitan katulad ng ginagawa ko noon sa Uber tsaka Lyft. Kung walang mahina ang Uber noon, sa Lyft ako pumupunta na app. So masaya. Masaya para marami tayong kitaan, dagdag kita rin to eh. So ito po si Ilocano. Laging tandaan, kailangan mag-ipon, magsikap at lumaban ng parehas sa buhay. At hindi na tayo bumabata. So kaya hataw lang. Magmula ngayon, hataw ng hataw. Okay. Pero okay lang din, kalma-kalma din paminsan-minsan. May lechon pa naman din tayo eh. So basta importante nag-e-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo. Okay? Okay pa naman ako, kaso nga lang medyo maaga kasi ako bukas sa work, kaya kailangan din natin pahinga ng katawan. So let's go. Ito po si Ilocano ulit. Ilocano Pinoy. Babush.